Madam Renadu, Madam Renadu, Mute DJ Mosbee, Raptini. 103.1 Mosbee, and no more them quite de mamo.
Right, Busia, and we are no any adophonom, which Yachamoson Cocanso. Asante Akim Agogo for Etemenka, and was some power 103.1. Ashefonso Esheme, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Maybe TikTok near Mosbee TV official. YouTube we are Mosbee TV GH. Memo Akwaba. I will say ye besuan dear. Mami a free o UK. If I kwenya we so achiama no nefo a omodo Mosbee TV GH. Every bia drop video a utumi hwe mane ye fe. Era mo ase mani so ne mo ne meye no. Adofo ne doso. Story a me ba be narrate. Fan se eye wo a. Me pa cho me be ware. Oba ben na me nware no. Me de mamienu bi ba be kire o. Momode na kire me ne me nwa no. Shame mpaboa. Ne fra me ntoma. Ne bisa ho se eye wo a hwan na obe ware no. Na kire wadwen na nyefe. Trouble Carrots be se dragati. Osa samwaba. Maybe I will be a channel. Emani emienu. Fantifu beka ne bien. Omuni wa hen. Ena ususu se. Mosbee ware na ebeboa no. Sa wo yoba na wo hwe video ya. Eba cha fa se me ye unua bema. Me kofa wakuma abrewo. Emu ne wo hen ena wo bepene. Wo ye meja. Me ko ware abafie. Emai mienu hwan na ususu se. Me ware na ebebo fie. Na boa mabrabo. Sa wo ye me mame a hwan na wo pese obeye wase. Eya disua Mosbee TV GH platform yi ye wase ye besua de na yetu ye ho fo. Video di kan me di free menua be ma word ma ya nchen. Debrah pani be bia wo bia nche sonko ye wo de a. Abusia yenkohwe oba wodi kan ni su ene ne ban a ekita no na kire me se me nware no ana se ensese me ware no.
Mosbee TV GH.
Okay, so my name is Debrah. I come from the Volta region.
First time I'm speaking to a Volta man.
Absolutely. Wow.
And I mean, I've seen what you've been doing. I mean, talking about top real estate developers in Ghana, definitely you're in top 5. And you never left Ghana.
I never left Ghana.
And you know, you're the first person that I'm talking to who never left Ghana, but doing something great on the continent. I just want to hear your story because I know so many people want to know how you managed to do this. Can you tell us a little bit about your story? What really inspired you to go into real estate and all that?
Okay, so thank you very much, Maya. First of all, my trade is engineering, trained from KNUST, and then started working as a civil engineer I've worked at top-notch real estate companies in Ghana, 3 of them, after which I set up CPL Developers. And then the last 12 years, I've been working on my own as a developer, moving and going organically from one project to the other.
You were working for somebody after school?
Absolutely.
And how long was that?
I did that for about 6 years.
And after 6 years, you decided to establish your own real estate?
That's right.
That's incredible, but there should be a story behind why you decided to do this by yourself. What really inspired you to start something like that?
My wife, then she was my girlfriend, and then one morning she realized I go to work very early in the morning, like 4:30 a.m. I'm out of the house, and then I'm back at 11 p.m. So she's like, what kind of job is this? I can't get to see you. Why don't you set up your own company? So I'm like, really? I don't want to do that. Besides that, among all my mates, I'm the one who is highly paid in my job. So why should I quit and set up my own company? So later on, when I met her by weekend, she brought her name. She said, well, this should be the name of your company. Go get something registered and you're actually going to resign. And of course, love was in the mix. So I subscribed to that.
You ready for me?
Yes, I am.
Madam,
Yes.
I finally found you. Your husband told me that you made him quit his job. Why would you do that?
Interesting. Okay, I hope you think that I was selfish then, but actually, I think I saw something in him, and I wanted him to explore that. I saw a young man, hardworking. You know, he had this leadership ability or trait in him, and then also this entrepreneurship spirit. Of course, he was, let's say, he was one of his boss's favorite. Yeah, because he was hardworking. He would wake up early, go to work. As early as 6 a.m. he's at work, and sometimes he can come back at 11. I wasn't living with him, but we communicated a lot. So I thought that seeing someone like that, you know, we can't deny that there are people that have the capacity to, impact lives with their skills, with their experience. You understand? Yeah. So I felt that, okay, he can do something beyond what he's doing, and he can turn it around for value. You understand? Because he was a go-getter, and today this is what you are seeing. Okay, so my advice to young ladies out there is that when you are dating someone and then you believe that you really want to marry the person, or not necessarily even dating, anyone close to you, could be your brother, it could be your friend, you can look out for the best in the person and assist the person to bring it out. Look at his capacity, because everyone is endowed with some capacity or the other. Exactly. So don't help them deplete their money. Don't deplete their resources. Don't use the money to buy expensive hair. Don't buy expensive clothes. I'm not saying that you shouldn't pamper yourself. Sometimes you do. But one thing that I did with my husband was that we, let's say that we postponed that. You understand? And then at the end of the day, because we knew that at the end of the day, when the company becomes bigger or when we achieve our aim, we had all the resources to buy anything that we wanted. Now I can buy anything that I want. I can buy all the hairstyles I want to buy. I can buy all the clothing that I want to buy. So we should look at the future instead of today, and then we should see how we're going to build the future, how we're going to you should be able to achieve your goal before you divert into depleting or making incessant demands on the young men out there who also have the potential of building their companies.
Thank you so much.
You're
welcome. What is your role in here?
I am the COO of CPL Developers.
Wow.
And I'm also a legal practitioner.
Lawyer.
A lawyer, yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to me.
You are welcome.
Video di kan ye ko hwa ye no no. Uhu ne sen. Na oti ase sen. Unya oba bi se ya ope. Enya yenhwe mfoni etoso mienu. Ne wono so e ba beye. Drop a comment.
Since we are living here, did I have problem with this man?
No.
But this man is telling people, I want problem with him. I want to throw him out, right?
Yes.
Take his house.
Yeah.
He said, still no. And I'm telling you, my babe.
Yeah.
Do you believe your mama is crazy or this man is crazy? Who is crazy?
Opa.
Opa is crazy, right?
Yes.
And I'm telling you that this man is pouring me outside. I know he did.
Yes.
And I will ask you in front of him.
Yeah.
So he will say, I'm sorry. Yes, I was the one. Because if not today, I will beat him. Is it right if I beat him today or not? Because I will show you after I beat him the proof.
Yes.
Are you okay with that or not?
I'm okay.
Okay. Did you tell someone that I came in Belgium here? Your sister was the one. Mama, are you recording?
Yes.
Are you? Hey, are you good? Hey, listen good. Hey, don't talk, because I respect very much. Mama,
Huh?
who was the one hold me in Düsseldorf? Was me or your grandmother in Düsseldorf?
My grandmother.
Good. And today I'm holding someone in your grandmother age, right?
Yeah.
No, Mama, don't be scared. I know what I'm doing. Hey, don't talk. I say calm down. Mama, I know what I'm doing today, right? So, look what I'm doing with Opa today. They say they are the good one. I'm the bad person.
Yeah.
Did you see me like this? Do you see me like this before? No, right? I will show you something. And I'll show you who are the don't be scared, my babe.
Yeah.
Don't be scared. You will learn a lesson. You will not believe any person in your life. Did you tell someone? Did you tell? Okay, calm down. My babe, don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
Who want problem?
And I said problem you
calm down. Okay, I will calm down. Calm down. Did you tell someone that your sister was the one give me a man? He said no.
He's lying. You lying.
Don't talk too much. Listen what he said with his mouth, and then you will not get any scared. You will see who's the liar. Hey! Did you tell someone? Did you tell someone? Hey, you see the liar. Mama,
Yeah.
do you want me to calm down or you want me the liar to talk?
The lie to talk.
Did you tell Mariam? Did you tell Mariam? No, you don't. I said I will prove you. I said the police. No, you call police. I said. You see, Mama, he's the one. The one who's funny. Now you do. You see how you hold my hand? You see?
I don't want you.
I said. Did you tell? Did you tell? Did you tell him? Did you tell her that I give birth to someone else? Did you tell? Or are you still lying? He's still lying, mother. What do you want me to do with the liar?
Beat him.
Did you tell? Did you tell?
No,
He's still lying. Mother. Did you tell her that I have my bed? It's not big. You tell her. Mother, and you know what I'll do? If I send the proof, you see that he's there.
Yeah.
I hate liars. You are lying. You're lying. Mother. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. You don't want to learn from God. You are lying. Okay, Mother. You know that I'm not lying.
Yeah.
Mama's lying.
Yeah.
Mama's lying. You still lying. I see. Mother.
Ebusia no wasamanyen memma ye wo problem ye ne etisika koto ade a ye nim ne wo ade nim nanso ye beto abafie emma yi mienu minu abema omumu hwan ena wonya yanko ya wo yire me ma me papa omumu hwan na nka wo ye wase a ope na beye dempo na ye hu se na omote efise enipa nim te se krochu amansa Debi ameka asem bi se Nyankopon awie bibi ayo. Na so ade ba ko pa bi Nyankopon eye ya. E kamenko a enko sesemu ma yenkeye. Ene se ko betwere obi asuban agu ne moma so. Di uhia na nka wahu. E ko basa ye ne yanko school no yenso ye be ne den. E ya samsabe ahaye Mosbee TV GH afutu sam ena ye Debrah wo fabi
103.1 FM.
aha na Debrah makwan na mede mo asie
Madam Brenner Umyeti DJ Mosbee Rabdin
Reverend Obofo enafe onyumtuni Ali Baba Foster mechia mwate mechia mu anka samonti ase jidabi amenya baabi asie na manya motu bi atwe egu mafuru so na manya anwonafo akonwa bi agige damu no eho ena madansi die beba mamu wai mo amhwe me mesra osoro ni asase se wonhira mo adwuma so na monye bi ahwe me video na bi asome so edini e Mosbee from 0547511900 na yendi nkomo medimo esiha ebesan de ahye bio bye bye.
Mosbee TV GH. No, me from me amra come here Mosbee TV GH. Amanye, me share Mosbee TV GH. So penny je and was a pedia. Share Mosbee TV GH. Me share Mosbee TV GH. Ebemu weni aje and ebema wonkwa. Mosbee TV GH. Yeah, quiet.